guys, we're here today with an unboxing. This is a 1/16 RC truck that came in from Banggood today, and I'm going to angle the camera down a little bit so that you can see the unboxing part of it. I was watching RC Sailors review this, and I decided to go ahead and pick one up because it's less than $100, and it's just great. So let's get to the unboxing. Turn the camera here, get it over here so you can see. I don't have to get my knife out here. Other knife is put up, so I'm going to go down here to see that. Come across here. Through here. Here it is right here. The 1/16 scale rocket DTK-16. See what we got here. Get rid of the paper. Get into this thing, see what it looks like. Alright, there's that. That comes down. Let's see, I think I need to flip this thing over. And I ordered red. I hope that's what they gave me. Okay, now we got a package of stuff here. Looks like that might be a battery cover, door, some 3M stick tape, and instructions. Okay, we'll put it in here. I'm gonna put that knife up so I don't poke myself with it. Got the controller here. Throw this down here. I really got this for the grandkids to kind of play with, and I think it's going to be a good deal. Let's see, I've got to get me some batteries for it. Looks like double A's. I have to check that and make sure. Okay, we got the charge cord here. Looks like. And a charger. Comes with the charger right here. Nice little IMAX charger. Which I have a hobby grade charger, so I probably won't be using that. Got 4 wheels and tires here. It's not on it. Then we have the car itself, and a little thing for the charger. Tells you how it works. So we'll get the box out of the way. Pull the car out. It's got foam on 2 of the axles, but not on the other 2. That's kind of that's kind of Chinese-like, I guess. Do half, but not the other. Okay, I want to pause the video now and go ahead and put the wheels on it, and I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, we're back. Got tires on. I had to take them off and put them back on because after I got them on, I realized they were directional. I should have looked before I put them on, but I got in a hurry. But anyway, got tires on, and here it is. It's a good looking truck. It's got a totally flat bottom on it, so you don't have to worry about it getting hung up on anything. And I like the way the body lifts up on this. It lifts up like a funny car. Just lifts up, and then you've got access to everything in here, which I've already got it plugged in. So I'm going to turn it on because I want you to see the light strip that it has on it. It's got a really neat light strip. Look at that. That's something that I'd like to have on a drone night flying. But anyway, that is I think that's awesome. I think that's an awesome little thing. I think that'll add a lot of fun to the vehicle when the kids run it. But they're going to have a lot of fun with this thing. Oh, well, I got the hood up. I'll give you a closer look in here at the shocks. It's got metal shocks on it, and it's got the metal pivot balls on each end of the shocks. So it's well made. It looks like it's going to be durable, and it's got independent suspension. It's got a brushless motor over here with a heat sink on it, and 15 milliampere hour 2S LiPo, 15C rating, which should give it some good run time. Heat sink on the ESC here, and it's just a nice truck, really is. It's got a good solid bumper on the front, and it's got the tire on the back as a bumper for the back. Like I said, I don't know if you could use that tire or not, but I would think you could, but I don't know what the inside of it looks like. So then you got your skid plate back here. That is a really good truck. I mean, it's a nice truck. I'm sorry that the lighting's not better, but I'm doing what I can with the lighting. But anyway, this is the always got to look at the box because I can't remember the name. It is a 1/16 scale 4-wheel drive desert truck rocket DTK 16. It's right there around $100, maybe a little less than 100. I don't remember exactly what I paid for it, but it was $100 or less when I bought it at Banggood. But it's a really good truck. I think it's going to work out fine for the kids. Anyway, that takes care of this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. But I do appreciate you guys watching my videos. And I guess that's it for now. So I will catch you in the next one. Take care and be safe.